Bonjour et bienvenue à French Tweets. In this video, we're going to learn about the French numbers. Numbers in French are quite important, as in any language. Numbers in French are called as les numéros, les nombres, or les chiffres. So, if you're ordering your morning coffee at a cafe, you need to know the numbers. If you're buying products at a supermarket, again, billing the products, you need to know the numbers. Reading the price tags, you need to know the numbers. Walking into a cinema hall and buying the tickets, again, numbers are important. Now, I'm going to pronounce the numbers for you and you're going to follow the pattern and the pronunciation for the same. So, let's begin with the French numbers.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
So this was about the French numbers. Now to practice them, you need to read them. So you can just read out your mobile number in French, or you can pick any object near you, products around you, and try to read their price in French. This is how you can actually remember the numbers. I hope you enjoyed watching the video today. Do not forget to share and subscribe to French Tweets. Merci et bonne journée.